What's up? It's Kiney back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you to make desktop shortcuts for your favorite websites in Windows 11. But let's get into it. All right, so here we are on our Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to do is come down to Microsoft Edge and you're going to open it up. And then you're going to head over to whatever website you want to save as a shortcut. In this example, I'm going to use google.com. Let's say Edge opened it up in a full screen for you. What you're going to want to do is come up to the top right here to these two boxes and click on them, and then minimize it to a smaller screen. And as you can see, I am on google.com. All you have to do is come to this little lock right here on your screen, click on it, hold it down, and then drag it to your desktop. And as you can see, I now have a desktop shortcut for google.com. So let's close out of our current window, and then we're gonna open our new window from our desktop shortcut that we just created right there. And then as you can see, it pops up. But that's how you create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.